What is your name?
My name is John.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Where do you live?
I live in a small city.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it.
What do you do after work?
I relax at home.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, sometimes.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy groceries.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your pet's name?
His name is Max.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
What kind of books do you read?
I read storybooks.
Do you watch TV every day?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite show is a comedy.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I do.
Which app do you use most?
I use WhatsApp most.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I love it.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
What color is your car?
It is white.
How often do you travel?
I travel twice a year.
Where did you go last year?
I went to Lahore.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like rainy weather?
Yes, I do.
What do you do on weekends?
I spend time with my family.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I do.
What sport do you play?
I play cricket.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I do.
What are you learning now?
I am learning English.
Do you use a computer daily?
Yes, I do.
What do you use it for?
I use it for work and study.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I do.
How often do you check your phone?
Many times a day.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually photograph?
I photograph nature.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I do.
What time is it now?
It is 10 o'clock.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, a little.
What flowers do you like?
I like roses.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 1 child.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I do.
What do you do before bed?
I read a book.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
What flavor do you like?
I like chocolate flavor.
Do you clean your room regularly?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you enjoy swimming?
Yes, I do.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch videos online.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I do.
What did you do yesterday?
I stayed at home.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I will visit a friend.
Are you busy today?
Yes, a little.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
What are you doing right now?
I am practicing English.